This week on Pole House Blackpot Weekend Getaways, we're in our front yard. What's on the menu?
Homemade taco salad.
So stick around. This is Wade and I'm Angel, and this is Iris, and we are Pole House Blackpot Weekend Getaways, where we show you all things yummy to cook in cast iron as we visit different places.
Right here. That's fine. Some in the front yard. Once you have to assemble, your stuff tastes like good 30 minutes. Grab it.
Well, hello. Welcome to Pole House Blackpot Weekend Getaways. It's Friday, Wade's at work, and I'm cooking dinner tonight. Although it's not too hot to camp right now, we don't have anything planned, so I decided I'd cook supper. It's Friday evening, so we're gonna fix something that's pretty easy. It's actually a crock pot meal. My mother-in-law used to fix it all the time. So I'm gonna get things gathered up and be right back. Okay, I'm doing this all by myself, and as you can see, I didn't get the easily up. But at any rate, in here I'm gonna put a pound of ground beef. And now, of course, the wind's going to pick up. As you all know, I don't like onions, so I'm putting a little bit of minced onion in here. A little seasoned salt. A little cumin. And some chipotle chili powder. And I'm going to give this a stir. When that's cooked, I'll come back. On this channel, we show you yummy, delicious, and interesting things to cook in cast iron, most specifically Dutch ovens. Do you know we have a cookbook? It not only shows you great tips how to use your Dutch ovens, but it gives you our first 2 years of recipes. They're $20 with $6 shipping and handling. You can get those at Pole House Black Pots, P.O. Box 212, Fayette, Missouri 65248, or on Venmo.
Yes, in the Venmo, look up Pole House Black Pots on Venmo.
Okay. Ouch. Okay. Now, if we look in here, we can see that our hamburger is all, there's no pink and it's broke up. Maybe not as well as Wade and Leslie could do it, but it's still broke up. So to this, I'm going to add one big can of pinto beans, one 15-ounce can of red kidney beans. You can use whatever beans you want. These are the ones that I have. This is going to sound strange, but it tastes good in here, and that's garbanzo beans. And then those were all drained. This is 1 can of chili beans, undrained. Juice and all goes in there. And then to give it a little zip, 1 can of Rotel. Now we're going to stir this. And then we're just going to let this sit there. And simmer until Wade gets home. So we'll be back. Well, looky who just pulled in. It's my honey. Is he gonna hit me?
Nope.
I hope you're hungry.
I'm getting that.
Okay, good. Well, welcome home.
Yeah, thank you. Nice Friday evening. We finally got some nice weather, didn't we?
Yes, it'll be a nice weekend to go out camping, but we can't get too far away from my mom right now, can we?
Too much going on, and
Yeah.
at least we have a nice weather to be able to sit outside and
Have a fire.
have a fire. Yeah,
We're
it's beautiful.
enjoying the fire.
What, it's upper 70s and a lot
Yeah.
better than it was
A
when we
week
shot
ago.
the last video. It
Yes.
was like 95.
Oh, it was hot, even in the shade.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah,
want to know what's
beautiful.
on the menu?
Yeah, what's on the menu?
We're having your mom's taco salad, angel-fied.
Oh, yeah, with sour cream and lettuce
Well,
and
it's the
chips
beans
and all kinds of stuff.
the beans, the several different kinds of beans and that sort of thing.
Yeah,
So
hamburger.
it's still cooking. We'll get around here in just a bit and show you how we put it together.
All right.
Well, we're gonna fix it.
Oh, let's see here.
First things first, let's look at this. Here,
Got it.
you hold that.
Yeah, I got it. Looking good.
Where am I gonna set this? Set it right here. Smells good too, doesn't it? Okay, we're gonna go in here. Now, most people, when they're fixing their taco salad, they put their chips in the bottom. We don't do that.
And why don't we do that?
Because it makes them soggy real
They don't
fast.
last too long, do they?
No. So, here's how we're going to fix it. We're going to take some of this. That's enough to start off with, isn't it?
Yeah.
Leslie's out here too, although she's staying away from the camera. Okay. Now, dear, you want to come over here, or you want me to fix mine first?
Go ahead, you can fix yours.
Okay. I want my cheese melty.
Yep. I want the same thing on mine. Cheese
Okay.
first.
And I want some sour cream. That's for Leslie's queso. I don't want no queso on mine.
Yep, gotta have sour cream on.
You want sour cream on yours too?
Of course.
Okay. Well, just a little dollop of Daisy that ain't Daisy. Is that good enough?
A little more. Beautiful.
Okay. And then I want some of this.
Some shredded lettuce.
If you haven't noticed, we took our canopy down. I figured out what I didn't do right. Next time, I'll know how to do it. We've only had it up, what, twice?
Yeah.
You want lettuce
Same
on yours?
mine. Oh yeah, same on mine.
Okay. Now, you're going to let me have that. You're going to finish yours.
Gotta have a little bit of salsa. Salsa on yours?
No. Nope.
And I want some of these jalapenos.
Whew. He wants to light his world.
Well, yeah, what's wrong with that?
Ooh. I don't like that.
Okay. And now, ready?
Uh-huh.
Now we forgot, usually we put black olives, don't we?
Yeah, we do sometimes.
But you can do lots of different things. Just like any taco salad. You can do what you like on it, can't you?
Now, this originally started out as a crock pot meal.
Oh yeah, my mom kind
Yep,
of made
your
it.
mom fixed it the first time.
I get some sour cream and jalapeno.
That good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's talk to that camera there, Wade. Well, that about does it for this quickie late week meal. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, which is like, share us on Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps us out a lot. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Bye, everybody. Thanks again.